Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go over how to use the repeating sections element. The repeating sections element is exactly how it sounds. It's made for having multiples of the same section in your form without having to do it all one by one by one. Let's start off in one of our forms and in the form builder part of it. So in my example, I have a few elements already in my form, like a header of event guest list, first name and last name elements. For this example, I want to add 5 first name and last name sections into my form. So this form would read like a list. It says the attendee's name and then the amount of guests they are going to be bringing to this event. So I will click on the repeating sections icon. Then I will click on the repeating section element, which will then take us to the configuration aspect of it. So we can change the name of the repeating section to attendees guest since it is required. Then we can leave on the include field titles on repetitions button, which will have it show the first name and last name label on every repetition you make. Then we can leave 1 for our initial quantity of repetitions and keep the add more options. And then let's put 5 for our max quantities of repetitions so you can see how this feature works. Then we can click on the apply button. Then we would click on the select elements to add section, which would then take us to the elements configuration screen. First we need to select a layout. Since I want this to have a first name and a last name, I'm going to choose the second column layout. And then we have a select element to add. So first I will add in first name and then click apply. Then I will need to click on the remaining select element to add section for the second part. I select the last name element in the select element to add drop-down list. Then I click apply. And now you see the first name and last name fields in the repeating section. So let's test this out. We can save the form, and then we can jump over to go to my form to see this in action. So we have the first name and last name fields, and then you see the repeated section field with a blue plus icon to the right corner of it. So let's say for this example, and like I mentioned previously, I want to repeat this section 4 more times to have a total of 5. I will click on the plus icon 4 more times, and then you would see a total of 5 different repetitions. And same goes if you want to delete some. All you need to do is click on the red X. And that's it. You now know how to use the repeated sections element in Indition Forms. Thanks again for watching the video, and if you found the video useful, please hit that like button, we appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to know when a new video drops. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in the next one.